How to turn off X sensitive content setting, Twitter. So first, you just have to launch your Twitter application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now here, you just have to go to the left side and then tap this profile icon here. After you tap your profile icon, you just have to scroll down and look for settings and support. And then under settings and support, tap settings and privacy. And then here you have to scroll down and look for privacy and safety. Now under privacy and safety, you have to look for content you see. Tap this one. And then what you're going to do here is to simply turn on this display media that may contain sensitive content. Okay, so you have to make sure that this one is turned on. And search settings, you have to make sure that both of these are turned off in order for you to see sensitive contents. Now, what you're going to do is to simply exit the application and launch the application again and start looking for contents that you want to see. Rest assured that the contents are unfiltered because you have changed already the settings, and that's how easy it is to turn off sensitive content setting when using Twitter. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.